now we are going to do the same thing as last time, just not the same story. We're reading 3 pages like last time. And here we go. So we're reading Let's Do The Pharaoh by Jeremy Strong. Alright? So, first page. This is the Pharaoh scene put, and his cap full of worms. And these two are Jelly and Grimstone. They're determined to steal the Pharaoh's jelly treasure. But first they have to get out of prison. There we go. That's 1 page. First chapter, The Queen of Ware. The Pharaoh Seaport High King and ruler of 27 Telepian Drive sat in front of the mirror and gazed back at himself with a pleased smile. He also happened to be High King and ruler of Upper and Lower Egypt, but that had been 4,500 years earlier. Nowadays, he led a rather quite a life with Mr. and Miss Lightspeed and their children Carrie and Ben. He was a real Pharaoh from almost forgotten 4th dynasty, and because nobody was supposed to utter his real name, he was also called He Whose Name Shall Rumble Down the Ages. Your eyeliner is crooked, Carrie pointed out. Do you dare criticize the Lord of Egypt? Go to Seaport. Yes, Carrie. Yes, Carrie was quite used to Senny trying to throw his weight about. She didn't care if he was Arch-Emperor of the entire universe. He wasn't going to boss her around after all. She was fitting, and no sane person. And no sane person tries to boss a 15-year-old girl. The pair of them were sitting at Carrie's dressing table, putting on their makeup. It was something that Carrie was still not quite used to do. The idea of men in makeup seemed pretty weird to Carrie, but her younger brother Ben had told her that even the poorest ancient Egyptian men wore makeup, at least for special occasions. Parties, barbecues, raves, clubbing, that sort of thing. The ancient Egyptians did not go to clubbing, snorted Carrie. Of course they did. They had musicians and dancing and all that stuff. Yeah, but not clubbing. It was the same sort of thing then. Instead, loads of people dancing to loud music and looking stupid like you. I do not look stupid when I dance. I didn't mean you look stupid when you dance. Said Ben, moving in for the kill. I meant you look stupid all the time.
So what chicken are we looking at?
And that is the story of
yeah, fine, yeah. Well, they're nice and cheap, aren't
Let's Do The Pharaoh. Well, not the full book, but it's 3 pages. And yeah, that's the story of Let's Do The Pharaoh by Jeremy Strong, the video. And it says, and then it says, laugh your socks off with Jeremy Strong. Oh, he has got loads more books. He's got the Indoor Pirates, He's got the Law Pirates Treasure Island. He's got There's a Horror. He's got Aliens. He's got Dinosaur Spots, I mean. Wanted. He's got Janted Jail and the Beak Speaks. Yeah, the Beak Speaks is quite weird. And it says, Ben and Carrie live at 27 Temple Drive with their mum and dad and a 4,000-year-old Parara. 4,000-year-old. And it says, that's right, an ancient Egyptian ruler who wears makeup, weird and dances. And when he struts his stuff at a modelling competition and wins, Ben and Carrie can't believe it. Suddenly everyone's wearing designer mummy badges and doing the strangest dance. So I'll type it down. In fact, no, first I'll go to the toilet. It is let's do the
There's still quite a lot of meat on it.
Per hour here. Let's do the per. Done it as a core. No, I've done it as a. Well, right, so it cost £5.99. By Jeremy Strong and yeah. So let's click on it. Come buy it. And if you want to make it less, then you can buy it for £3.99. Okay, right. So, I hope you did like it.
Rolls in it.
Bye. I'm just gonna wait till it turns to 6 minutes. Right, I mean 8 minutes. Bye.